Hey everybody, I am beginning this video fresh-faced and makeup-free as I'm about to put some on, obviously, and I have no idea what it's going to look like. I don't like going makeup-free, it makes me quite nervous. I'm so sorry. I'll apologize in advance if you can hear baby noises in the background because I've got wee Montrose in the room with me. Anyway, I, and probably also you, have been seeing a lot of AI generated images on Facebook and Instagram, etc. And it concerns me that most people don't seem to realize that what they're looking at isn't real. Not a real room, a real person, a real event, a real product, even fake products being touted as real ones. It is a lot of fun to play with, but I think one ought to make it clear that the picture is AI generated and not claim or neglect to claim that the image is not one's own work. I have been genuinely seeing this. Producing an amazing AI image is as easy as typing in a sentence, and it's rapidly getting better all the time. But like it or not, AI is here, and who knows what sort of things it will lead to in the near future. Anyway, let's use this inevitable force for a bit of fun. I have never been very creative with makeup, you may have noticed, so I thought I would use a popular AI image generator to come up with some ideas for me and see if I can copy one of them. It can come up with some really bizarre stuff. When picking one, I'll have to consider what makeup products I actually have because I don't have that much. Yeah. Okay, let's type in some commands and see what it comes up with. A gothic makeup look using red and black. Nah, it's a bit boring and generic. Inspired by kabuki. Oh, these are pretty interesting. What is that? What's going on there? This one's quite artistic. It's almost good. Where do you draw the line between makeup and face paint? Boring, boring, boring. Oh, now we're getting somewhere. Look at these. That's wild. It's almost a bit Ziggy Stardust. What? Looks a bit like gore. How would you even create this like 3D goop effect? A gothic makeup look inspired by a really creative gothic makeup look. Oh look, some of these are great. I'm gonna have a hard time picking one. This is giving me so many ideas. You can give AI prompts, but it is also itself a prompt for creativity. These random images are giving me inspiration. Now we're really getting somewhere. Look at this. Look at this. What's going on? Getting a bit random. Oh, I think we might have a winner. Yeah, this one here is kind of like, oh, but this one, they're nuts. Okay, so I've decided that I will do this one, but I kind of like the metallic eye-ness of this one. So I'm going to kind of combine them as best I can. Let's see how this goes. Okay, get my hair out the way. Start by putting my foundation on. Ta-da! By the way, if my eyelids look swollen, it's because they are. I'm allergic to eyelash glue. I had some on yesterday, and I'm sure that's only going to get aggravated when I inevitably put some more on later. If anybody wants to know what foundation I have on, it's this one. Just Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. It's actually not bad and it's very cheap. And this very nice powder, rather cruelly called Lockdown. Let's get dangerous. Let's get uncomfortably close to each other. Wee bit of contouring there, so I'll start with that. I'll also do a wee bit around my chin as well, just because my chin's a little bit extra fat at the moment. See if that helps at all. I did just have 2 babies in a row. Give me a chance. A wee bit of the contour colour up here. What's quite funny is that these AI women both had real eyebrows, so I'm going to have to imitate real eyebrows, haven't I? Does not look very natural. Both have got big black eyes, so let's do that. Oh, I miss having an eyeshadow primer. Who dares send me a message? Who dares? Literally Mr. Owl letting me know that there's a double rainbow outside.
Oh, wow!
Man, this is not going on very well at all. It's supposed to be a good eyeshadow. I'm gonna grab a different black eyeshadow, see if that helps. So far, I just look like a panda who can't put makeup on very well.
Join me now in a vampire world, gonna eat the rich.
Now I thought I had some gold eyeshadow or sugar powder, but I haven't, so I'm going to use silver. But it's a nice opportunity to use this sugar pill tiara. Try not to fuck it up, try not to fuck it up. Alright, let's get some eyeliner happening. Now for the fun bits. How are we gonna do this? Maybe while my eyeliner is drying, I'll do the lips. Big luscious black lips, which are very unlike my own, which are not very luscious. Decided I'm going to do the pointy eyes and the dribbly bits from one picture and the nose and forehead from the other picture. Alright, let's go. It's kind of hard because when you're looking at it, it's like AI stuff doesn't like logically make sense. That's how you can tell if a picture is AI, because if you look at it for more than a second, there'll always be bits that don't make sense. Trying to like look really close at the eyes because it's not real. It doesn't make any sense. It's like what's going on in there? Random pixels. Okay. Not exactly straight, but okay.
I crave to be someone else, not me. As I walk in the rain and the cover by shame, as this dance feels vain, cause the music is pain. I seek to feel that this kid is real. As I walk through the shadows and the valley of death.
Like what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
As I wake in the morning and there's no one there. As I wake in the morning and there's no one there. There's no one there. If only you could understand the reasons why I'm...
What the fuck is this? This is a picture of nothing. This doesn't make any sense.
If only you could understand the reasons why I bury me, just bury me tonight. Bury me, just bury me inside.
Okay.
Bury me, just bury me.
I should be using a different liquid liner for this. Maybe a more blobby one. Actually, let's try this water activated liner. See what that does.
I crave to be someone else, not me. As I walk in the rain and the covered by shame, and this dance feels vain, cause the music is pain. I seek to feel that this kid is real. As I walk through the shadows of the valley of death. As I walk through the shadows of the valley of death. As I wake in the morning and there's no one there. As I wake in the morning.
I'm not quite sure what's going on in here. It just looks like a bit of random something. Okay.
Bury me, just bury me inside. If only you could understand the reasons why I bury me, just bury me.
Yeah, really authentically gothic. The bloody eye stuff's gone all shit.
Bury me, just bury me
tonight. Okay, this looks mental. I don't look like a demented zebra? Do I look like a melted barcode? I don't think I would go out like this, not even to a goth club, not even to anything. What do you think? Is this a wearable look? You think, is this a good look for me? Is this something I should start incorporating into my everyday look? My favorite part's the nose, especially like this part that goes into the nostril and like the bits that look like they're coming out of my nostrils. Yeah, that's I don't really know what kind of theme we're going for here. It looks like I'm just like leaking black liquid all over the place. This was actually really fun, and it's reminded me how much fun it is to play with makeup, which is not something I've done for a long time actually. I don't get much time to myself these days. I like to wear a lot of makeup, but I draw the line somewhere, and I think I found the line. This looks so stupid. Perhaps I will dig deep into my creative depths and try to come up with some ideas of my own. Like I said before, one use for this kind of AI is you give it prompts, right, and it can give you a prompt back. So if you want to get more creative, it can give you a good starting point, like a writing prompt, you know. If you're into creative writing, for example, you might have to start a short story with a certain sentence, or you might have to include a certain theme or a certain sentence or whatever in the story. It's like a prompt, okay? It's like a makeup prompt, the creativity prompt. So I definitely enjoyed doing this. I think I look ridiculous. It was quite challenging because like when I tried to look closely at the pictures for details, they just didn't make sense, right? Like that's one of the things you can tell that you're looking at a AI generated picture if there are aspects of it that don't make sense in physics. So even just like makeup, like when I zoomed in, I'm like, it's not really even shapes. I can't really explain it. It just wasn't, it didn't make sense. It just gets all kind of like jumbly pixels. So do tell me what you think of the finished look. Would you wear this out in public? Because I would not. If you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. Oh, for fuck's sake. And as always, take care of yourself, be nice to each other, stay creative, and I'll see you next time. Bye.